Tel Aviv doesn't really wake up. It's already alive. This is Dizengoff Square. Nobody is rushing, and that's the vibe. You don't run here. You just exist. Some people are working, some are just watching life. Somehow, it feels enough. Let's keep walking. This street goes straight to the sea. Bograshov. It's not fancy, but it's real. Shops, small cafes, people passing by. You can feel the city here. Every corner looks different. Old buildings, new ones next to them. Nothing is perfect, but that's what makes it interesting. You hear different languages, tourists, locals, everyone mixed together. Some people are in a hurry, but most of them not really. And then you see moments like this. Someone just sitting, scrolling, completely in their own bubble. No stress, no urgency, just being there. That's Tel Aviv. Cafes are already full. It's still morning, but it feels like the day already started. Friends meeting, people laughing. This is Friday energy.
Yeah.
And the closer you get to the sea, the lighter it feels. No. More sun, more space, less noise. You start to slow down without noticing. It changes step by step. You can already feel it. The air is different. A bit salty, a bit warmer. People are dressed lighter. Flip-flops, shorts, beaches clothes. And here it is, the Mediterranean. Wide, open, calm. People running, walking, just sitting. No stress, just life by the sea. This is why people love Tel Aviv. Not because it's perfect, but because it feels free.